Yes, it's me again, Tees, Braids, and Weaves, coming back at you with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and a big shout out to all my wonderful subscribers. Today's style will be a 360 lace wig sewn on by yours truly. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Let's get started. This is my client. This is her completed style of the 360 lace wig with baby hairs. And yes, she is slayed. We're going to get started from beginning to end and show you how this style was accomplished. Here is some pictures of my client's hair before we got started. She has no chemicals, no perm. Her hair is all natural. Alrighty, now the braid pattern is complete. I have placed the wig on her head. It is fitting nice and comfortably. As you can see, it's a full 360 lace all the way around. I will begin sewing around her ears first and then around the nape of her neck.